Welcome back to Rewind Studio. Today we're doing a quick Pilates practice designed to work the whole body in just a few minutes. When you're ready, roll out your mat and let's get started. Let's start standing with feet together. Place your hands to your heart and take 3 deep breaths. Feel your body. Standing at the edge of your mat, we're gonna do 4 flat backs with your arms, sucking your belly in towards your spine, lengthening your back here. Nice and relaxed. Put your head down, forward fold, and just bend the knees, walking it out. Great. Going to all fours, lift one leg in flex, bringing the leg up and down 8 times. Working your glutes, hamstrings, and core here. Same to the other side, 8 times, keeping the back flat and the core engaged. Feel how your glute is working here. You got this. Great. Now we bring the knee in to your nose and out. You can use the opposite arm, stretching as well, or not. You can just keep both arms underneath your shoulders. 6 more times. And pulsing up the arm and the leg 8 times. Up, 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 up to insist on this core and this glute. And to the other side, rounding the spine and strengthening your core here. You got this 8 times. It's your choice if using the arm or not. It's absolutely fine. Pick your choice. And pulsing up. Come on, you got this. Well done. Oof, good. And on to the child's pose for 2 deep breaths. Moving on, we stretch the legs in front of you with flex, and we're gonna lift the heel off the floor, alternating one leg at a time. You can bring your arms to prayer if you want to, strengthening your hips and your core. Well done. This one seems easy, but it's quite intense, so enjoy. Bringing arms up and forward fold for a little stretch. Breathing and feel the stretch on your lower back and your hamstrings. Look up, coming up, lengthening the spine, arms up to the sky, and then you're gonna go down and up 4 times, pointing your toes, strengthening the whole back in here. Come on, this is your last exercise before a nice stretch. Good job. Now sitting tall, bring your arm up and side body stretch with the leg extended. Look up 4 times. Then twist your spine, both shoulders facing down. You look at your knee, both hands down. Feel the twist on your upper spine. And lengthening to come back, and the same to the other side. It's always important to stretch after a workout, after any exercise, to prevent injuries and to feel good, to give air to these muscles. Same, look at your knee, feel the upper body twist. And let's find a sitting position to bring your arms up, palms together, to say thank you for today. I hope you like this quick workout Pilates. If you would like to see more videos like this, don't forget to like this video, leave me a comment, share this video with a friend or family member, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you again. Have a lovely day. See you soon.